Welcome back. Now in this video, we're working inside of the review menu, and you'll notice that most of these features exist in other Microsoft Word applications. The proofing, accessibility, insights, language, and even the commenting, which allows you to collaborate and work with other people and keep track of the changes that other people are making. Now unique to Excel is going to be your ability to do what's called protecting the workbook. And when you're protecting either the workbook or the sheet, what you're doing is you're keeping others from being able to edit the document or change the data in it. So for example, what we can do in this case is we're going to click Protect Sheet. What we can also do is make it so that the people we're working with can change some sections of the document. In that case, what we're going to do is we're going to use this area that says Allow Edit Ranges. Now for example, if we place our cursor inside of this cell, what you're going to notice is that this formula depends on two cells, E10 and D10. So in this case, you'll see that there is an E10 cell, which is E, and then 10, this cell, and then D10. So what we want to do is we want to make it so that E10 can be edited. So we're going to click Allow Edit Ranges, and we're going to determine the exact place where others can make changes. And we're going to call this something specific. And what we can do is we can make it so that the individual that's going to make the change is going to need a password. And then we're going to click OK. We're going to need to re-enter the password. Then we'll click OK. That means then that although this entire sheet is going to be protected and not changeable, this one cell is going to be changeable. And that's going to help us to be able to make changes to the formula that we have. So we're going to click Apply. And then we're going to click OK. So basically now we've made it so that if someone wants to make changes to this file, the only thing they're going to be able to make changes to will be this cell, which will then affect this formula. So again, you can protect your entire workbook or worksheet, and then you can allow individuals to make changes to crucial parts of calculations that you actually want to make. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.